for giving me this opportunity. I realize.
Mubuga wako rera.
Mubuga waku ri. Mubuga waku reke tuge.
It has been cornered.
No he kundu na tari mweco hie. Kundu riri. Mubuga waku he kundu na tari riri. Mweco hie.
Yes.
Yani he has not been shaped. Uria kwagireire. Tondu muzuri ona haria ngwiraga gizungu nie tutire ndugu ri. Kaiburi nike mwitigirite.
Githungu. Uria akibanga muto tiguo kiraumira kanua.
Ake ngwire. Ke hakiri ni kihana barathi.
Kibaka muda.
Kirachomoka kihana buda. Dike toke muteithia atia.
Rothio mirugo kinyira haha giko ona kenera uramwika kaundu kana rutwikaga ri.
Naigwa age na thina munene na kukira. Ndiaigwe. Ndika na guku kana nako.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I rise just to apologize to my colleagues and members of this House. Honorable Speaker, I'm here to say sorry to the members because I don't have any evidence that they receive money. Honorable Speaker, those was just a hearsay that I heard.
Those was just a hearsay.
We was voting during the second reading of finance bill. I urge the members to forgive me and then we move forward for the betterment of this country. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Ora kera thonde kwa mutu ora kera uma.
Ani atinde ko no mutindike. Mutindike.
La tiria benda tigete ohinge ngingia gweta uguo.
Na ori reke ngwire atiriri. Kwi maundu tu utacomoka gwika atia? Kugamba nigetha ukenie andu.
Yes.
Tondu nigukiririkana nginya platform ire kiria atia?
Augire maundu macio.
Na ndijui no ageragia gukenia. Na riu reke tukiuge ni hakinyite handu acoka ikara thiri. Akora nanga.
Ndahetirie nanga kondo kono kangaruruka muno. No kandie muno.
Thira re atiriri. Nanga ne mohapa kure.
Yes.
Thira ngere hau. Riu ndeimana ndarage na time ya gwe compose.
Asa.
To maundu mamwe by the way ni menda ukeharirio ri ukuga. Especially wakinya ni horo tondu ura fatara kumauga na ruthiomi rwa githungu. Na tondu ni to Tuesday ni agoka ri. Ni akwagu athondeke ono kono taga statement ka mutwe. Akorwo ati ni ari hasite.
Yes.
Na agakiram. Nigetha githungu giki kia was na is na we ari. Gicomo kira kiagireire. No menye ruthiomi ciari by the way ndagikoragwo sawa tondu na githweri aragio ndeta ni njaragia. Yes. Waziri wa uzima wa milele. Uzima wa afya. Ogerio minister wa mamuro muitate.
Waziri wa uzima wa afya.
Uzima wa mwili. Waziri wa uzima wa mwili. Kaibori. Ora ndaigua ndukuona matiramumenya.
Asa.
Uri aretwo kou.
Matiramenya ritwa riake wega.
Matiramumenya mundu ucio naramenyeka.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I just wanted to help Honorable Kimburi to learn before you seek forgiveness, you must confess the lie first. So you must confirm first that you lied, that you are dishonest, you lied in church, you lied to the people of Kenya and put us to great shame. Then after that, after you have confessed, then you can ask for forgiveness.
Yes.
Honorable Wamumbi.
Mr. Speaker, we must speak the truth and tell each other the truth. Is Honorable Koibori ready to go to the same church and admit on the same pulpit that he lied and he incriminated these members of parliament, Mr. Speaker? Thank you.
Even as we go to forgive Honorable Koimburi, we must have him pay damages, but more importantly, we must have him taken action against by the Speaker, Powers and Privileges Committee, Mr. Speaker, there must be clear so that next time any member who would like to drag the names of members under the bus to look good, Mr. Speaker, then they will think twice. And Mr. Speaker, one thing Honorable Koimburi must realize, he may have been doing this to look good. By the way, the whole house, one is rotten, all of us will be rotten, including him, Mr. Speaker.
And I'm sure Honorable Koimburi has been guilty. He has atoned his sins. And because he has atoned his sins, and that forgiveness is divine, and request this house to forgive him.
Kiumburi. Wataramenya kana abuge zake matirabu meja. Safi basi.